Hi, good afternoon. Time is 7:20 p.m. here in Slough. Date is 17th of April, 17. 17th of April 2026. I'm here in Slough, and as usual, they are quite busy. There is a traffic lights there. I will explain maybe later on. These you know over there by the training state I said over here in England, the uniform police officer is God, and I said I'm a practicing Muslim, but according to the British law, but that was a metaphor for the uniform. So I mean, there's a continuous consecutive 3-4 days. I mean, every time I go to traffic lights, Thames Valley police, they come line up big queue. Two police cars were there, and other people were breaking the pedestrian, traffic lights. Once I got to that time, they, I gone with them. Like the traffic was clear. There was no, like there is a gap there between the lights. So you stayed there for you have a gap. It's a small. So I just crossed it like with other people, and they were there. I should, I wasn't, really, like maybe I don't know. I should have been. Later on, I thought I should have been careful because of the respect. Because if the trial was going on, testing, I'm breaking the law. I don't respect. No. I respect the police. Next time, I start to, respecting uniform officer. Cars are standing police. So I should wait for the pedestrian lights clear. So I pass the gap. People just cross it if there is a road empty, red, white, whatever. No, red, amber, whatever. If it's a gap there, people pedestrians just usually cross the road. I was just like that. So this time, yesterday, I respected. The road was empty, proper clear. But the police were there. They're looking at Thames Valley police with the dog unit and everything. They were looking at me from white uncle were there. There was a uniform police, everything was there. So I waited. The other was going same scenario, honest to God. And I waited. Today I was crossing it. There are a lot of proper original British executive, decent retirees and other people with some brown trousers like a Freemason, muddy color brown trousers, and that's unusual. You rarely see those kind of British people, white, proper English or British, proper decent one, breaking the lights. You let alone you get surprised. What are they doing? It's the town like Slough. It's so metropolitan, what's they say, melting pot. Beyond that, rarely see the original legend, the original English smile, Pakistani man, English girls grooming. Most time you see so-called white, Polish, Eastern European, the leftover Brexit one. Rarely you see them, but those were proper posh ones were there. And again, the police this time, I was crossing, when there are traffic lights on, even pedestrian SAU, I have to wait for it. Even it's a green, walking symbol there, you can cross it. You still, I personally wait. Let the ambulance, fire brigade, police car with the flashing blue lights. So he came, I can break the law. I'm a zero. I can be a potential terrorist, potential thug, potential police officer, potential Uncle Smova, aka Sastier Karwar in Paris. I can be potential anything. They're doing Anatolia. Mohammedi will be in Istanbul. COP20, I don't know which number is 31, I don't know. Yeah. Blame game was the last one. I think that was 30. So that's supposed to be 31. United Nations. So Pakistani uncles were there. Nobel Prize, Field Marshal, Sadak Shah. I can be a chief of the army staff. What do you think, Rolly Walker? Ronald Walker, Ronald David. Rolly Walker. I can be anything. Putin, Zelensky, Joker. Hey, so if you pay attention, you sound like a woman, Zelensky, Joker. I can be anything. Yeah, what's the movie was that? Shooting happening in cinema, Dark Knight Rising. They thought it's a part of music. They were watching movie. They literally was shooting. I was not shooting. Don't shoot Quran Masajid. They thought Batakalan, I think they thought that's a metal song, heavy metal. So people were shooting. Who was sponsoring them? Netanyahu. If you want to investigate what will happen, dollar. Donald Trump said 20 years, $20 kneeling. They say Mossad, Israel trained them Americans how to kneel. Nil, Nil Island. I will talk about the island, Two Man Island. That was from 2010 become 2 Mile Island. Manhattan Project one, I think. Within the country, within the state, Isle of Wight, biggest joke happened to the common sense beyond common civilization. Donald Trump, civilization will die. Biggest, ugliest joke happened. But you cannot be above the law. Alhamdulillah, I am a British citizen. Here they revoke nationality. There is a procedure. You go to the court, and my beloved judge discuss it. Hey, is an Indian coming? Watch, Indian auntie, that's me. That's a little girl. That's a Muslim auntie. That's me. Reflection. There's a consul office there. Trading state over there. They're fully active. Most of the car going this way. Biggest, ugliest joke. Thanks YouTube. Please, don't delete my account. You haven't deleted. They deleted. Let someone deport me, kill me. Have to speak with me now. At least Svetlana from Belarus, English speaking. A lot of Pakistani uncles were there. Army general. Just last night I researched it. Why they called Raja from Jhelum and Rajput Khandan, Hindu brotherly, Rizwan, the Indian saying the ISI agent, Raymond Davis, no. We bought it, China's, it's a ship there, Rizwan. Rizwan is there, a ship is Rizwan. What's in the name? He's going to surveillance. Raja Rizwan Mushtaq. That's my middle name is actually my name. You know, people, friends and family knows me by this name. Not officially. First name Raja, surname, and you go to the job center. Mr. Mistake, come on, get. Hey, watch. My beloved police. Speaking about your job center, over there. Look over there. Operation Utree. Police station right next to it. Operation Uterus. Gonna they call you Mr. Mistake. That wasn't a mistake. Mushtaq. Mr. Mushtaq. Unemployment. Yeah. I applied for benefit 14. Is another Pakistani uncle coming. Make superstar. Look, I'm gonna swing the right. Look. And they're not gonna like it. I don't think so. Super Tarzan's uncle. Auntie actually. The uncle, Pakistani uncle, there's a baby Jesus picking up. That's me talking. They're good at it in council housing. My son grown up. Actual biological dad beyond FUCK, FACK, ED, fucked. Actual biological one. Properly. Please, YouTube. Name of humanity, mankind. That was my place. Another Muslim uncle pop out. Tabligh Jamaat, you gone there. I was talking about that. And lot of Muslims are popping out over there. They don't like that. My personal accounts, they fully like it. I don't know which job center. I was gonna say, the operation, this auntie, the granny, look like a man. I don't know if he's a really man by the BT. British Telecom, boots on the ground with a man. He's just over there. To me, I don't know. Anyways, that girl is me, underage girl. I will explain later on what's had to do with the water. Media war. What's the terrible Laden? Yesterday, lots of Indian from Telangana looking like man and woman. They recently came. I don't know which work permit or student visa. They're not originally British here Indians. I can tell that. From even Telangana state. I think where is Bombay Bollywood? No, that's Maharashtra. The Maharashtra look, and not far from Telangana also Ahmedabad. Where is not Ahmedabad? That's a Gujarat. Hyderabad. Dehydration. One. Where is Bengaluru? Silicon Valley. Indian. What was saying? Yeah. Yeah, they're fully alert. Football going on. James Bond. Media walk. Tere Bin Laden, they made it. Lot of money. Yeah, Pakistani Rizwan. Raja Rizwan hanged to death, spying for India. American spy, for British spy, other spies, okay. Raja Rizwan, Colonel, Brigadier, I think it was Brigadier. Pakistani, lot of generals are here. ISI, bad ISI, here, onto me. Pecky uncles, Pecky bastards. Pakistani ISI, Pakistani James Bond. A white bitch. Oh, MI6. Metro Valley. You can see MI6. Which movie they watched it? Mecca Callum, Aptori. Ariana Grande. Which music I watched it? A lot of guts. What was I? Yeah. I think I should turn it off. They are gathering now. As you can see. It, military grade pornograph, they got information from there. Haven't contacted so far, broken heart one. Pakistan embassy, Faisal Raj Shukla embassy, immigration and custom exempt, deportation order. Please YouTube don't delete it. That playlist especially very important. Which musical song I watched basically? What was the age limit? I don't know, man. I don't know. Just watch the song, man, and listen. Of course, I like some that kind of beat music. People have a psychology, they have a theory about that. Why people like that kind of music? Oh, but that's I like it from childhood actually, literally. And I have to repeat my is a wine, is a footballer. No Russian uncle. I don't know. Quite squeaky song, Ukrainian. But definitely America is white. Here in England, only whites are England. What was that? Blacks, dogs, and Irish not allowed in pub. Then they changed it to dog. Then they also included Irish, only blacks not allowed. No blacks allowed in a pub. Man, which part, which time Einstein? Donald Trump 20% one back. Stone Age, Iran got $20 halal meat. I was gonna say ghost. Indian would have learned. Holy ghost, aloo ghost. Ask them na Haji Panga. Tan Manjeet Singh Desi, Pakistani field marshal, noble yard potential. Crises were created. Iran is, they say Haramis. There's a special cell. There's my mummy, Punjabi mummy one. Haramis, Urdu. Haramis literally mean bastard in Punjabi, in Hindi, in Urdu. Namak Haram. There's a movie there, Namak Halal, Namak Haram. Namak Haram, Namak Halal. Yeah, when it's a metaphor for who's a loyal, salary, is under the salt. Tasted my boss wasn't unfaithful. It didn't betray my boss. That's called namak halal, not halal meat shop. No. And namak haram, he who just betray his master for other bounty. And I was gonna say, yeah. So it depends, no, which country they. A lot of footballers are here, as you can see. I don't know which country is that, which language. Just in case, make them a superstar. I can make a video. MI6, ISI. I will talk about why did I mention. But intelligence services. Was that flower Rose one, my 57 email address, Rose one. But I was gonna say Rose is a girly name. Ross Hawkins is in Moscow. Roosevelt. I don't know why me is a girl. I just made it an email. Roosevelt is a different. Yeah, man. My name is Rizwan, so I thought that doesn't look. I couldn't make it the Rizwan one, so the Rose one it allowed me. 57 is chapter 57, Quran one. Hadith, the Iron Man, something to do with the Jews. No, man, that's according to the biblical. No, man, that's the Muslim and Christian and Jews and Muslim. You know, together. The Jerusalem is the Dawood alayhi salam. That's the prophet, Israelite prophet, who the iron used to melt in his hand. He was a tailor master, Taylor Swift. Blasphemy according to Jews, definitely. Blasphemy. Tailor master, tailor made. I was gonna say cartoon. I funded a broken heart. Tailor made scenarios. But that was his profession. He used to make needles. No noodles. Noodle, Chinese noodle. You don't need to dial a spy. They just, God. You need to, when you call a God, you don't need to dial the number. Dialing. Dealers, dollar. Have a deal. Have you got a deal? Here's a filming. Brown. Rodedo above the law. Terror, dictators. Terror on a people. Footballer. I think I should turn it off now. I think yeah. This is not nice. No, it's not nice. As you can see. I was gonna say, yeah, I think I should. That should be enough for today. So I was gonna say, yeah, star 57, Telford Drive at 17. Rizwan 17 is chapter 7, Quran message. And then in 36 time Moses was mentioned in Quran. Kim Jong-un is thrilled. Wang Yi, my lovely brother, you said hello. I was here when Boris Johnson was hello. Oh, beta, self-fulfilling prophecies. Kim Jong-un is South Korean Western beauty brothel. I don't know what's brothel. Biggest cosmetic surgeries, Western looks. You have to go to South Korea. Quran beauty standard. What was that? Lucy gone there? Lucy Lukashenko, I just told them I tried to study Minsk. That's exactly what I did. Minsk was Lucy's other way around. White blonde was a victim. Lucy, La Isa, that we know to Christ. Connected with the Rogue Nation, Raj Nation, Boris Johnson. Also Tom Cruise, yeah. I think that's getting out of control. I should have turned it off, man. Last thing, yeah, few things. I think if you find any irregular jumping, because too many Spider-Mans onto me. Kangaroo court, Spider-Man, and Superman. What's that? Many other things. Movies. Try to explanation going on. What exactly happened? I don't know which movie they were watching. A lot of money though, 40 billion. That's what I know. That $40 billion. Netflix bought it. Bollywood. Some invested. But lots of movies were already there. Fox Studio made it. My name is Khan Rizwan. Indian were thrilled. Low caste. I don't know. Are they getting information about it? Anyways, I think that should be enough. I will talk about it later on. When on the road, and maybe I will walk a little bit. Yeah, I think that's enough. Bye bye.